What if we wanted to know how many people didn't answer this question? How many people didn't give their opinion about how much influence local news has on their community? We can answer this question by finding out how many respondents have a value of 999 in the influence column. And to do that, we can use sorting. So there's two ways to sort. The first is using the triangle that's at the top of the column that you're interested in. In this case, influence is inside of column D, so we can click on the small gray downwards pointing arrow on the top right of that column, and we will see that there are many options here. If we scroll down, we'll see that there are two options for sorting the sheet. Because we have selected our column D, and we can see that it's selected because it's highlighted in blue, we know that that's the one that we're sorting by. If we sort from A to Z, we are sorting in ascending order, whether it's letters or numbers. And if we sort from Z to A, we are sorting in descending order. So this is the one that we want, because since 999 is the largest value that we have in this column, it should be at the top. And when we put all of them at the top, we'll be able to see how many there are. So we can go ahead and click on Sort Sheet Z to A. And now we can see that there are a few 999s here. If we want to know how many, we can try and see which one is at the bottom. This one is the last one. It is row 17. We know that there's one row that contains the labels for each column, so we know that there are 16 people who did not answer this question about the influence of news on local community.